Hello, this is Topland. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to use the Topland Filter Bladder. Collect raw water into the wider mouth of the bag. Make sure to tightly seal the bag with the slide lock. We are ready to filter the dirty water. There are two types of quick open caps. The first cap is with a silicone valve. Open the cap and let the clean, drinkable water flow out into your container. With this cap, you can control the flow of the water. It is best used when drinking directly from the cap. The second cap is the free-flowing type. With this cap, the flow rate is faster. It is best used when transferring the drinkable water into another bottle or container. The Topland Filter Bladder removes protozoa and bacteria so that the water that comes out after filtering is safe to drink. If you have any questions about this product, please send us an email